First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, things are heating up as we get a little bit more moisture-laden atmosphere. The big question is whether we can get a trigger like an upper-level disturbance, which there may be one moving through the Cumberland Plateau area of our viewing area later today that could spark a few isolated showers. But for the most part, we're going to stay mostly dry, hot, and humid this afternoon. 87 right now. Temperatures already climbing into the upper 80s, and it's not going to take long to get into the low 90s this afternoon. But where, excuse me, where any showers do pop up would be more likely off to the south and east of us, right along the Kentucky-Tennessee border, around the Lake Cumberland area, Dale Hollow Lake region this afternoon. There could be one or two that pops up around here. Just depends on how warm we get this afternoon. There's certainly lots of moisture just hanging around. All we need is a trigger. It could be the sun itself, the heat of the day, but more likely that little weak disturbance trying to work through the area. Now, as we look at the temperature trend over the next 7 days, this is going to be fun to watch because you remember last week when we had that unseasonably cool air move in. Well, average high this time of the year is 90. We'll hit 93 or looking to hit that this afternoon. Then around 92 tomorrow before a cold front moves in with a good, well, decent chance of showers and thunderstorms as we get into tomorrow afternoon and evening. Then behind that front, look what happens on Thursday. A good 10 degrees shaved off the high predicted high temperature, 82 for Thursday. Lots of lower humidity levels there too. Then we start to creep back up into the mid and upper 80s by Saturday, but yet another disturbance coming in for the weekend will bring the temperatures back down to the mid 80s for Sunday and Monday. It is after this that yet another one of those unseasonably cool hits of more of an Arctic high comes in. And that's going to bring our temperatures back down into maybe the upper 70s again for the middle of next week. Here we go again with another couple of shots of cooler air on the way. So the temperatures you're seeing here in the mid to upper 80s, almost 90 now. In Hartford at 89 and Madisonville the same. Some of these temperatures are going to go away as we go into the next couple of days. And also going away, these high dew points that we're feeling today, upper 60s, low 70s. That means there's lots of available moisture to work with as the dew point temperatures are running high. So it's muggy. And we even have a heat index. 94 is what it feels like in Hartford. 93 in Russellville. Feels like 91 here in Bowling Green with the clouds building out there, but not too high, not too tall right now. We still have lots of warm air on top, acting as a lid or a cap on the atmosphere. But if we get the heat building up enough today, we could break that cap and see a few isolated showers pop up. It is 87, but it feels like 91 here in Bowling Green. South-southeast wind at 9, 55% relative humidity with the barometer falling. Glasgow, some puffy fair weather cumulus clouds, 84. Greenville at 88. You're seeing a few towering cumulus now out to Muhlenberg County. As we head to Litchfield, seeing a few of those clouds building at 84. Franklin seeing that same picture, temperature at 85. Mammoth Cave National Park, a few clouds and sunshine, and you're at 84. 87 at the Bowling Green Airport at this hour. That's 3 degrees warmer than at midday yesterday. Radar pretty quiet, has been for the last 12 hours. But again, a piece of that disturbance off to the south and east may try to creep in over the Cumberland Plateau this afternoon and be the trigger for maybe a few isolated showers. This complex of thunderstorms falling apart as it heads south toward the St. Louis area, so it looks like that will miss us altogether. But Futurecast does show that a few isolated showers are possible to the south and east of Bowling Green this afternoon. Then tomorrow, here comes the first of 2 major shots of more Arctic-like air. This is the one that will trigger a line of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow as it pushes southward through the Bowling Green area by midday and into the afternoon. Behind it on Thursday, that's when we'll be the benefactors of that cooler, drier air. And then way out in the Atlantic, Tropical Depression 2, not forecast to become a tropical storm or hurricane. It's just a little bit of active weather out in the Atlantic, something to this time of the year especially to watch. Hazy, hot, humid, isolated thunderstorm this afternoon, especially east of us, 93, 71 and partly cloudy for tonight. Then a better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, 92. And there's that big dip And the temperature on Thursday to 82, 86 Friday. A little bit unsettled for the weekend. Highs back into the mid to upper 80s. More Midday Live coming up next.